Hey, it's Sarah with Loaves and Dishes, and today I'm going to be showing you how to make these really delicious whiskey steak bites. Before we get into today's video, be sure to subscribe to our channel. So the first thing we're going to do is make a marinade, and that is a 1/4 cup of brown sugar, some minced garlic, a couple tablespoons, but you can measure with your heart, a 1/4 cup of whiskey, a 1/4 cup of soy sauce, and then 1/2 cup of olive oil. And you could use regular oil if you wanted to, but olive oil will work just fine for this. Really, whatever oil you have is going to work. We're going to add some liquid smoke, a pinch of cayenne pepper, and if you wanted these to be spicier, you could add more cayenne pepper, or you could add some chili flakes as well, and we're going to give that a mix. We're also going to add some salt and pepper here in just a minute. So we're going to get this mixed up, and then we're going to reserve a 1/4 cup of the marinade to make a sauce to go with this. And the sauce is really delicious, but it didn't record. So what you'll need for the sauce is about 1/2 cup of chicken stock, and then a sprig of rosemary, a teaspoon of cornstarch, and some cold water to make a slurry. And then you'll mix the marinade and the chicken stock together and let that simmer and thicken so that it gets a little bit thicker. And the rosemary, you don't have to do anything to it. You can just put the whole sprig in, and it'll just kind of perfume the sauce. Anyways, that would take about 5 minutes to do over the stove. So now we have a steak, and you could do whatever kind of steak you prefer. Mom is the one who recorded this video, and I can almost guarantee that steak is a ribeye because Mom likes ribeyes. And so we're just putting that in the bag with the marinade, and then we're going to set that aside. You want to let that marinade for at least 30 minutes, but ideally 12 to 24 hours is the best time for a marinade. I think that America's Test Kitchen did some testing on marinades, and they found that there wasn't much difference between the 12-hour mark and the 24-hour mark. So take that for, what it's worth. So then you're going to cook your steak, and you can cook it to whatever doneness you like. If you like it medium rare, great. And there's the sauce. That's what it should look like. It doesn't make a ton of sauce, and you want to, once your steak is close to being done cooking, you want to add a little bit to it. But that's it. If you want to see more recipes, be sure to check out Loaves and Dishes, and thanks for watching.